carriageway. So this operation I have participated today to launch it in Hyderabad city so that we have better roads and better traffic management. And not only that, we are noticing that because of all this, the RTC buses are unable to go into the bus bays. The autos are obstructing the bus entry and exits. So auto drivers need to be shown proper parking places. I have told the inspectors, traffic inspectors, it is their responsibility to educate both the RTC drivers and the bus auto drivers on how to behave on the roads. Another problem which is creating traffic management issues is the VIP movement. Now, just you have seen that in a 15 days time on a special drive, we have seized over 1500 sirens. All types of VIPs, they call themselves VIPs. They are even sarpanches, ex-MLAs who have long been not there in their posts. They are still carrying on, and new people are putting on these sirens into the vehicles. What happens is when they come to the junction, they blow these sirens, and our home guards and constables who are there on duty, they get a little perturbed, and sometimes they use the green light to give way to them. So this is upsetting our traffic management practices. So it is illegal to put sirens in vehicles. It is illegal to use red lights and blue lights as per the Supreme Court order. It is illegal to use black films on vehicles. So we are going to tighten all this in the special drives which are going to take place in the near future. So I requested all the MLAs, I requested local MLA also to join, to come, because their help is very necessary. Because once we start doing this, they come and obstruct our officers saying that these are all poor people, why are you disturbing their lives? But it is not actually the question of poor people. It is almost like a mafia which is running here. People are subletting the places in front of their shops and earning rents out of it. So this has to be understood. All have to cooperate. Political representatives have to cooperate for us to achieve a proper traffic flow in Hyderabad city. The problem of traffic jams in Hyderabad has seen a manifold increase in recent times, and after taking charge again, I have reviewed the entire situation with my experience of having worked in traffic for 3 years as additional CP. And what are the reasons for this increase in these traffic jams and the slow movement? Some have started complaining that it is almost looking like Bangalore now. So we don't want that situation. So I've reviewed, and we have realized 2 or 3 things. One is the huge increase in the number of vehicles. Now in Cyberabad, Hyderabad and Rajkonda Commissionerate, about 7,500 square kilometers area, we have 88 lakh vehicles, and a daily increase of 1,500 vehicles is being seen. So this definitely will put a lot of pressure on the existing roads, and unless we adopt better traffic management practices, we are going to face a very bad situation in future. So one concept which we need to understand is the concept of the carriageway being quite clear. Now the carriageway is being encroached. I have noticed in my research here and observations that too many encroachments have come onto the roads, on the footpaths. And a lot of people from other states, Rajasthan, Bihar, we spoke to a few just now, all over the city I am seeing this. They have come here and they have started putting up sheds, temporary sheds and all sorts of equipment on the footpaths. And they are selling goods, they are selling all types of equipment. So what is happening is, because of this, the pedestrians have no place to walk. It's a historical problem in Hyderabad city that footpaths are less than encroached. But now the actual laid out footpaths are also being encroached at a rapid rate. So the carriageway is being encroached upon, and obstructive parking which takes place has also increased because of this, and leading to reduction of the carriageway. Now Operation ROPE, ROPE stands for Removal of Obstructive Parking and Encroachment. So this has been launched, and under this operation, our traffic officers will every day, on a daily basis, on a continuous mode, they will come onto the roads with their cranes and other equipments. They will remove on a daily basis the encroachments which are there on the footpaths and convince them tell them, give them a day or two to remove it themselves. And also, those who park very obstructively, their wheel clamps will be used, towing away vehicles will be deployed to take them away, and some forceful action will be taken so that some fear is created.